Yeah, hi everyone. This is Nikita. I'm your coding instructor. I'm having 4+ years of experience. So I'm working as a full stack developer in Optum, which is located in Hyderabad, and I'm working as a freelancer in Apponix parallelly. So okay, today we are going to discuss about beautiful concept in this front end. We are going to discuss it which is nothing but HTML. We are going to discuss it. Before getting to this concept of this HTML and all, first we are going to differentiate with other technology like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We are going to get the difference upon this one. So here we'll go with this thing. So the differentiation upon these things as well. And here you can see. So we have taken one example of car. We have taken here. So by this we have defined it the differences upon these three things. We have defined it here. So here HTML means just only structure you are going to build it for the application and all. You are going to build a structure, you are going to build it. And whereas CSS means you're going to build the styling part for the structure whatever you have built it in the HTML. And when it comes to this JavaScript and all, that alterations you are going to do, that means where you are going to fix the parts fixations and all, how you are going to do it in an application. Also alterations you are going to do it for the application. And here for example, what role is going to play in this structure of this HTML of JavaScript and all means. So here wheels and all we have stated. So that is this wheels where it will be get placed, that fixations and all you are going to do it in the JavaScript. So styling part, that means what colors to be added. So here green color and here yellow color they have stated. So this is how the difference of this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so now we are going to start the concept of this HTML. We are going to start it. So here, so by end of the session, you are going to learn some good things upon this session as well. So you're going to learn the structure, how you are going to build it in this HTML, and what is the difference upon this tag and element, and how you are going to insert the links, and how you are going to upload the images as well. Also, you can get to know about this thing as well. Okay, so first we'll go with, so what is HTML? So some people will think like HTML is also a programming language. No, it is a markup language where you are going to define the structure as well by using this one. Okay, so can we get the code upon this one? So where we can access this code upon this one means. So for example, here is the here we are having this web browser and all we are having here. So if you want to know the code what they have defined it and all means, so just you can just double click upon here. Okay, you can just double click upon here. So you will be getting an inspite option, you're going to get it. So if you click upon this inspite option, how they have defined it, the structure of the code and all, you can get it. So here let me minimize the size of this thing as well. Okay, so here you can see. So if I just point out it at particular element, if I point out it means there it is getting highlighted of that one part, it is getting highlighted. That means that particular element whatever they have stated in that particular block and all, it is getting highlighted. So easily you can access the data of this thing. So what styles they have stated upon. So these are the styles they have uploaded for this designing of this web and all. And next, what computations they have given, what margins, borders, padding, all whatever layouts, whatever the issues they have faced while having upon these things. Also issues you can click upon. So here you are going to get all the issues what they have faced while this implementation as well. Also you can get it. So this is how easily you can access the code of this one as well. Also you can easily access. Okay, fine. So let's go for defining of this HTML and all. So it is an hypertext markup language, and we are going to define the structure. So here you can just take a look upon this one. So it is an hypertext markup language. So for what purpose you are going to use this HTML means, here we have stated structure and all. So here you can see structure for this web content, nothing but a building of applications, any application, whether it is in a web application, Android application, desktop application, any application. So for that purpose you need the structure to define this application. For that purpose you are going to use this HTML as well. Okay, let's go for this differentiation upon this element and tag we can go for. So these all implementations directly we can just do it. So here you can see. So it is a markup language, not a programming language. Okay. So next we'll go with, so where you are going to, like whatever the structure you have written, that where you are going to execute the code means in the browser you are going to execute the code. That whatever you have built that structure by having some elements and all, whether it is getting workouted or not, in the browser you are going to connect with and you are going to check the content as well. Okay, so extension and all you are going to give dot html extension, you are going to give it here. So let's go for the differentiation upon this HTML element and tag here. So, starting tag and ending tag backslash you should have to give it here. So ending tag, et for ending tag. So in between whatever you have stated, so in between, for example, hello I have stated here, so in between whatever I have stated, that it will be get considered as a content. Okay, fine. So this starting tag and this content and this ending tag all together we are going to call it as element. You are going to call it here. So you are going to call it as what? Element. You are going to call it this one. And here, so this is the starting tag and ending tag. That means in the element it is a part of it. Tag is a part of it. Okay, consisting of starting and ending, and you're going to give the content as well also, you're going to give it here. Okay, so okay, we'll go with the tags as well. We will go with, so basic tags we'll go with. Heading tag we can just go with that. So if you want to give heading to the page and all, what you're going to do, so you are going to use heading tag. So h1 you're going to use, so it is a starting tag and backslash and it is an ending tag. So here, for example, welcome I have stated here, it will be considered as a content. So if the content whatever you stated, that it is, that it will be get highlighted and you're going to get it in your web browser, you're going to get it. Okay, fine. So let's go for this this thing as well. So how we are going to define this structure as well. So how the structure will be get declared here, we are having very clear points upon these things as well. So here declaration of this common document HTML and all. So we'll go with, so here what, where you are practicing, for example any technology if you have taken, so where you are practicing, that it will be get considered as a tool, it will be get considered. So here we'll go with, so here I'm just I'm using PyCharm tool to get practice upon this one. So PyCharm software I'm using to build this one as well. So let me create one file upon for this HTML as well. So here all types of files will be there, so you can just click upon. So for example, I have stated here session, I have stated here, and I'm not given any .html. By default it got the extension has been get added by, because in HTML itself only the files I have created here, right? So okay, here you can see it is a document type of this file and all. So it is a main root of this HTML part, and it is a metadata that internally it will be get connected with the files as well. It will be, so title, whatever title you have stated here, so here I have stated here as session. So session 1 I have stated here, and in the body you should have to write the code. So within the body itself only you are going to state the code as well, and within the head itself you are going to state the styling parts and all, you are going to state it. And here let me write this h1. So here you can see h1, h2 and h3, h4 and h5 up to h6 you are having. So then what is the difference of h1 to h6 means? Size reducing upon the things will be there. So here starting and ending we have given. So in between we are going to give welcome to the application. Okay, so if we stated here browser, so you're going to connect with the browser, you're going to get the content whatever you have stated in the file as well. And here we are going to just click upon here. So here you can see, so welcome to this application and all, you're going to get it here. Okay, So this is how the elements will be get to work out it here. And next we will go with the small tags upon here as well. We'll go with, and here you can see, so heading tag, and next we'll go with paragraph tag and all we'll go with. So here we go with this thing. So P for paragraph tag. Okay, so here, thank you for attending the session we have given. Okay, so now you see it how it will be. So here it will be like a welcome to the application, and here it will be like thank you for attending the session as well. In the para format you're going to get the data here as well. Okay, so we're done with this thing, we are done with this thing. So next we'll go with the anchor tag, which is very good thing upon here. And next thing, if you like emojis and all we are having, right? So in this chatting applications and all, so in whatsapp application also we are having emojis we are having. So how we are going to get the emojis? Is there any code required, or normal defaultly we are getting that thing? Means yes, every application you are dealing with, code is very mandatory for that. So here also, so welcome to the application. So here I want to give some smiley symbol, I want to give it. So here let me give, so for this also one code will be required. So if I go back to this one, you see here how the symbols has been placed. And if I go back to this one 5, so smiley symbol you are going to get it here. So okay, so if you want particular symbol, so this is the code for the symbols and all. So this is the code you should have to follow, and last 3 digits you should have to change it. So for example, here I have copied the same thing I have copied here, and I have pasted it here as well. And instead of this one I have stated 15, I have stated, if I go back to this browser, here you see how the symbol has been placed here. Okay, so this is how for every part of application that backend coding will be there. So we thought like it is a normal things and all. No, for every code, for every dot, for every capital, small letters, every point you will be having one code itself. You are going to have it here. Okay, so next we'll go with, so uploading of this background colors, how we are going to upload it, we'll have a look upon. So background colors means, so style, background is coloring we are adding. So coloring is nothing but style we are adding to that web page and all we are adding, right? So here I'm going to give here style, and what you want to make upon here you should have to state it. So I want to do the styling of background, I want to state it. Good it is. So what color you want to add it for this thing as well, also here you should have to state it. So let me add pink color for this one, and just go back to this one here. Okay, here you can see so how the background colors has been get updated. So okay, so can we add images for this? Yes, for sure, definitely you're going to add the images as well. So instead of color you can just state it image as well, that's it. So image you can just state it here. So image is to, instead of this color and all, URL you should have to state it. So URL single quote. So for example, if I go back and search for one image here, so I can just go back to this one as well. So background images. So any logos and all if you want to upload also, you can just go for it. So here we'll go with this images, and here so just go for this image as well. So just copy this link, that's it, copy the link and go back to your tool as well, and here you can just paste it this one. So just go back to this one here. Now you see how the image has been placed, background image for this one. Okay, how good it is. And next, okay, fine. So in the body itself only we are going to state the background color, or anywhere we can stick it, means anyway. One thing in the front end is what is one, if you learn once, you're going to implement everywhere, you are going to implement it. So here style we have stated here, right? So background color, now I want to give the style background color for my heading as well I want to give it. So let me give background hyphen color is to, here I'm going to state it purple color, I want to state it here. So purple I have stated. So just go back to this one here. Now you see how it has been get highlighted here. So like this you are going to give it the things as well. And next we are going to discuss about anchor tag and all, we are going to discuss it. So what is this anchor tag and all means? Very beautiful thing it is. So here, so this is starting and this is ending, already we have known this one. And next here we stated reference, we have stated here, right? So reference it is. So for example, if I stated here a home page, I have stated here. So if I clicked upon this home page, if I clicked upon this home page, directly it will be going for the reference and all. Whatever I have stated in this reference, it is going to get the data as well. This is what the process it is going to get happen in this anchor tag. Very beautiful thing. So here, what is this reference? So this reference will be called as an attribute, you are going to call it. So attributes, okay, fine, attributes you are going to call it. So this attributes where we are going to state it means in starting tag itself only you are going to state this attributes and all, you are going to state it here. So in this starting tag itself only you are going to state this attributes as well. So whatever we have stated here, when you clicked upon here, so what you have given in the reference and all, it is going to get the data upon here. Okay, let's take a look upon this one as well. So if we go here and let me give A and A, starting and ending we have defined it, and reference I have given. So this is reference, right? So let me go for any Instagram and all, we can just go for. So log into Instagram, we will go for, okay, log into Instagram. And here let me get this page as well. So I'm going to copy this link. So clearly you observe. So copy this link and just I'm going to state it here. That's it. I've just stated here, and let me give here, and let me give here login to Instagram. Okay. So let me give some symbols upon here as well. You can just give it here. So same the symbol we are going to give it. Okay, so just go back to this one. Now you see here, log into Instagram, you are going to get it. So if I click upon this page, directly it will be going to that particular application. What application? Instagram application it is going to. And in that application, what is the login form? We stated that it is going to get it. So just click upon here. So directly you are going to get this Instagram login page and all, you are going to get it. Okay, this is how the reference will be get work outed. So any other path you can state it, any other images you can state it, any other thing you can state it in the reference, that it will be get activated when you have clicked upon the content as well. So this is the content, right? So when you clicked upon this content, whatever you have stated in that reference and all, it will be get activated, that data you are going to get it. This is what the reference, and this is all about anchor tag and all. So A for anchor, and in the anchor tag we are going to state one attribute called reference. We are going to state it in the reference. You are going to state the links and all, any other path you are going to state it to get. When you clicked upon the content, you are going to get the reference as well. So this is all about anchor tag. Got it? And next we are going where? So images we are going with. So images, how we are going to, so background images we have seen. Okay, good, it is background images we have seen. Now how we are going to upload within the image, you are going to upload it, that we are going to see it here. So okay, let's go for this one as well. So image, nothing but directly you can just go here. So image you can just state it, and source you can just state it here. So if I'm having any images upon here, Here itself only I can just have the images, so I'm not having any images here anymore. So just go back to this background and all. So here already we are having some images, right? So just go to this one. Okay, so just copy this link and directly you could just go back to this one and just paste it here. So first you have to check how much width and how much height it is having upon. You just go back to this one here. So just you go back to this one. You have to check it here. So here it is getting the image like this. Now what you want to do means size minimization, you should have to do it. So how much width and how much height you want upon this one as well, you're going to state it. So width is to, I'm going to state 200 px. Px means pixel size. How much size you want to state it for this thing as well, you're going to state it here. Okay, so here I'm going to give 200 pixel, and next height as well I'm going to give it here as 100 px. 100 I want to state it here, 100 pixel, and just go back to this one here. Now you see how the size has been stated here. Okay, and here you want to give break as well, br for break here. So br I have stated. So if you go back to this one here, okay, so it is going to get the break upon here. So here also you can just state this break as well. Okay, go back to this one. Here you're going to get the image as well. So okay, just any limitations are there for this one means no. So just copy this one and paste it here and paste it here. That's it. So instead of this break and all, just go back to this one. Now you see how many images you are getting. Okay, no restrictions and all, nothing is there upon here. Okay, so this is all about the basic things. Next we'll go with this ordered list and unordered list. We are going to discuss it upon here. Okay, so what is this ordered list and unordered list? We are going to discuss it. And next here you can just take a look. So what are the lists and also anchor tag, you can just have it upon here. Okay, so the breaks and underlines, all this basic text element tags and all you're having upon here, and anchor tag and all you can just take a look upon here. And next list and all we are going to discuss it. So already we done with this thing, and next this one, next we'll go with the list as well, we are going to discuss it. Okay, so images and all, so already we have uploaded the images as well. So next we'll go with the tables as well, we are going to discuss it this one. Okay, so next what the things we should have to discuss. So list, we should have to go for it. So let's go for this list as well. So list we are having, so in this list, in the HTML it has been divided into two parts. It has been divided, so one is ordered list and another one is unordered list. Okay, ordered and unordered. So the word itself only ordered, it is stating ordered means what, in an ordered format you are going to get the data upon here. Okay, good. So ordered format means, so here you should have to state that first thing. So this is what type of order list or what type of unordered list you should have to state it. So OL, and within that list items you should have to state it here. So LI for list items. Okay, so one I have stated, and next I'm going to give it here ending and all. Okay, so this will be called as ordered format. You're going to get the data, and here as well same thing, you're going to upload it. Instead of OL you are going to give it as UL, you are going to give it. List items and all will be same here. Same list items and all you are going to state it like this. How the data is getting upon by using this list and all this one, let me show you. Okay, so just go for this one as well. here we are going to give one h2, we are going to give it to define this one. Let me give here ordered list. Okay, so just we are going to state it list items here. OL means for what ordered list you're going to state it here. So here we are going to state, so people we are going to state it, just copy this one and paste it here and paste it here. Okay, so this is ordered list, right? So same this content only we are going to state unordered list. Then you'll get to know how the difference upon this thing. So just copy this one and just go back to this here. So unordered list. So now I'm going to execute this one. You see how the difference is. Ordered means what? In an ordered formatical base you're going to get the data upon here, whatever you stated upon in this ordered list. And unordered list means what? You're going to get in the symbolized format, you're going to get the data upon here. Okay, so these are the basics upon this thing. So if you want to know like a type, you are going to state it here. So what type you want upon, so in an alphabetical format you want upon the data as well. Also you could just go back to this one instead of this one, so you're going to get the data in the alphabetical format as well. You're going to get the data as well. So here also you want to state the data in the circle format, you want to state it. So if you go back to this one here, so now you see in the circle format you're going to get the data upon this one here. Okay, so this is all about ordered and unordered list upon these things as well. So okay, any other questions you're having upon, you can just state it. And as well as, so these are the basic things upon the HTML and all, so which is good concept upon ordered list and all, as well as images we have stated here. And next how to upload this background color, background images and all we have seen here. Okay, so the next in the next upcoming sessions we are going to discuss about this forms and tables as well, we are going to discuss it. Okay, so thank you everyone. So by end of the session you are going to learn, I told you, right? So you're going to learn the structure of this page, you are going to learn it. So how we are going to define this HTML structure, you are going to learn it. How to upload this background images and next anchor images, ordered, all these things you're going to learn it upon here. So we'll have one quiz upon here as well, we can just have one quiz. So what is the quiz means, what is the difference upon this element and what is the difference of this tag as well. Also we can just you can just have to note it and you just have to write the answer for this one as well. And what is this image tag as well, also you're going to write it. And what is anchor tag also you have to write it. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you for the session and thank you for the time as well. Thank you.